I'm Jared Dienda. We're here in Kenosha, Wisconsin at Snap-on Tools World Headquarters. We're with Mark Knapp once again. We're talking about tool carts.
Great feature for a technician to grow their tool collection, have a place to go with it, or if you're a brand new technician, be able to have a smaller storage footprint. We have a sliding lid with a pull-out tray. Great for that guy who's working on a specific thing and wants to keep those tools in a certain area.
Let's talk about the drawers. They go all the way out, full pull-out drawer.
Wide variety of color options, both in paint and trim. And the other option is we have a stainless steel top, we have a standard top, or we have a bed liner top, whatever the technician wants in order to move his collection forward.
Another cool accessory here, this one has power. Has 5 staggered outlets as well as 2 USB.
And then the other ones have an option to add power to them, even if it doesn't come with.
Another accessory, slots and dots.
Great way to add to the collection, add to storage in a unit, can be added to the side of any of these units.
And remember, they're made in the USA in Algona, Iowa. So get with your franchisee and customize your own rolling cart.